You might have seen a crane lifting heavy load on a construction site. Do you know how does it work? The cranes have a thick metallic rope to which the load is attached. This rope is pulled up and down using pulleys and motors. The required diameter of the rope is governed by its elastic limit and the load to be lifted. If the load on metallic rope is increased, then the rope will deform due to increased amount of stress and strain on it. Strength of metallic ropes depends upon the type of material used and its diameter. You might have observed the eye-shaped beams used in construction of bridges. Do you know why? Bridges should be designed in such a way that the beams used in them should work as the support system to withstand the load of traffic, the force of winds, and their own weight. Let us consider the case of a beam loaded at the center and supported near its ends. When a load is placed at the midpoint of a bar, then the bar sags at the midpoint, which is shown on the screen by the formula. However, the beam may bend. This bending is called buckling. To prevent this buckling, eye-shaped girders are used. When a bridge is used for a long time, it loses its elastic properties, due to which the amount of strain in the bridge for a given stress becomes large and may ultimately collapse. This is why the bridges are declared unsafe after their long use. The pillars are used frequently in bridges and buildings. These pillars have rounded and distributed ends. A pillar with rounded ends supports less load, whereas a pillar with distributed end supports more load.